Seniors are responsible for teaching. And even if they're doing something and they're carrying out a task, they're always thinking about, like, how is this a teachable moment that I can leverage to my benefit, knowing that I'm about to leave the team. Juniors, being the most experienced people that aren't burdened with the need to pass along their knowledge, their word is execute. How can they execute the mission at the highest level, using their experience to their advantage? It being the last year that they can focus on doing just that and not having to also worry about passing along or formally guiding the people under them. Sophomores, to typically challenging class, their word is to support. They know more than the freshmen, but they're not yet as experienced as their upper class people. And so they look up and down the hierarchy and say, what can I do to support those above me? And especially, what can I do to support the ones who I was just in their place a year before? How can I help them out, and how can I support them? Now, the juniors and the sophomores together, their job is to model what it looks like to do whatever task they're doing, whether it's how to practice really well, how to do a physical drill movement to the highest ability, how to treat one another, how to act in certain situations.